Have you ever felt crushed under the weight of regrets? Looking back, wishing you had made different choices, used your time more wisely, or lamenting the times you think you wasted? Does this feel like a burden of lost opportunities, those wasted years you can't get back? Time waits for no one. One moment you're here, today, and then suddenly days turn into weeks, weeks into months, and months into years. When we stop and look back, we often ask ourselves, what did I do with all those days and years? Where did my dreams and plans go? It's as if we blinked, and so much just passed by, leaving us with a feeling of regret for the chances we didn't take and the journeys we didn't embark on. However, there is hope and a chance for rebuilding for those who seek it. The universe or your higher power is restructuring all those wasted years. But how do we understand that the universe is steering us toward reconstruction and new beginnings? Here are 7 powerful signs. Healing of the deepest wounds. Even if you feel your best years were stolen by pain or regret, the universe carries a silent promise of healing. The deepest wounds etched into your being slowly begin to heal. There isn't an instant transformation, but a series of subtle changes. The constant sharp pain of the past softens, no longer consuming every thought. There may come days when the wound no longer dominates your mind, offering brief moments of peace. As you heal, small glimmers of hope appear. An unexpected kindness from a stranger may melt some of the cynicism within you, igniting a spark in a long-forgotten hobby. These moments, though seemingly ordinary, are whispers from the universe that beauty and possibilities still exist. The scars remain, proof of the battles you fought and the strength you've won, but their grip on you begins to loosen. The overwhelming power the past once held diminishes its ability to define your present and shape your future. Forged in the fire of challenges, you discover a resilience you never knew you had. Your inner peace deepens, a quiet confidence grows that you've weathered the worst of the storm. Disguised blessings. Another clear sign that the universe is ready to make up for the time you thought was wasted is when you start experiencing unexpected abundance and receiving surprises you didn't foresee. When you begin to see material success in your life, it's important to view these good fortunes as signs of the universe's kindness. However, the way the universe mends isn't limited to money. Its benevolence spreads to every area of your life. The idea of receiving unexpected surprises is a big part of this sign. Think about when good things start happening to you out of the blue. This might sometimes mean unexpected financial gains, but it's often about blessings far beyond monetary value. People you barely know might do something nice for you, friends might offer help without a clear reason, and new opportunities might emerge from unexpected places. This mix of wonderful surprises is evidence that the universe wants to give back everything you felt you lost. It's not just about acquiring more money or possessions, it's a broader, deeper generosity. The universe shows it hasn't forgotten you and is ready to bless you in ways you never imagined. This abundance and unexpected gifts are a sign from the universe that it's time for healing and renewal, extending its generous hand to every aspect of your existence, beyond the material. Seeing the world and yourself through softer eyes, when you feel a strong pull of compassion and empathy towards the people around you, it's a sign that the universe is making up for the time you thought was wasted. This deep desire to help becomes not just something you should do but a natural part of who you are, motivating you to make a positive impact in the world. Going through tough times increases your desire to support those in need. The amount you have doesn't matter, a sense of greater good from the universe guides you to share and give generously. This change isn't just about doing nice things, it's a deep change in who you are. Your heart acts as a channel for divine love, offering actions that truly make a difference for your community and the people around you. This desire to live with compassion is an indication that something significant is happening in your life, guided by an unseen force. It's not just about small acts of kindness, it represents a major transformation in your character, shaped by something much larger than it seems. The fire within burns brighter than ever, a primary indicator that the universe is helping you reclaim the time you thought was lost is a noticeable increase in your inner strength and resilience as you face life's many challenges. You find yourself equipped with new courage to overcome difficulties. It's as if the universe itself has given you the power needed to endure tough times. This healing journey often involves rediscovering your true purpose. For various reasons, you may have drifted away from what you were truly meant to do, but the universe, with its wisdom, redirects you back to your inner flame, helping you find or reignite your true calling. This sense of clear purpose, combined with your strength and determination, is a strong proof of the universe's active role in mending your life. It shows that the universe is not only interested in healing past wounds but also makes you stronger and more focused in the face of challenges. By enhancing your inner strength and clarifying your purpose, the universe makes you more capable of overcoming obstacles. The storms in your soul quiet down, finding a sense of peace that fills your days amidst distress and difficulties is a clear sign that the universe is compensating for the time you thought was wasted. This peace is a precious gift at the very heart of true restructuring. The universe, with its infinite wisdom, doesn't just clear obstacles in your life. Instead, it empowers you with strength and peace to gracefully navigate through these challenges. This calmness isn't dependent on the events around you, it comes from a deep internal place. Despite the problems you face, it gives you a strong sense of assurance that everything will eventually be all right. These experiences show that the universe isn't just about reclaiming what was lost, but also guides you as you regain balance in your life, navigating the unpredictable journey of life. This inner peace serves as a sign that the universe is meticulously assembling your destiny. Among the ups and downs, the universe aligns everything in your favor, helping you not just to endure but to thrive with a peaceful heart and clear mind. Your path suddenly illuminates, when your desires and decisions naturally align with what the universe has prepared for you. It's a powerful sign that the universe is making up for the time you thought was wasted. This isn't about minor changes, it's a deep and meaningful shift in what you want from life, steering you toward choices that are in harmony with the universe's greater plan. This true alignment comes with a deep sense of joy and satisfaction, knowing that your life is unfolding exactly as it should. It's as if you found the final piece of a puzzle, perfectly fitting everything together. This happiness stems from knowing precisely how your life is unfolding according to a plan much larger than yourself. This process of aligning your will with the intentions of the universe marks a fundamental phase of your renewal journey. It shows that higher powers are actively putting your life back on track. Not only does this alignment sort out your external circumstances, but it relates to a deeper spiritual transformation. The core of your being resonates with a broader divine purpose. Finding this alignment brings deep internal peace. There's comfort in knowing that your choices and actions are in tune with the universe's grand design. This connection to the universe's plan is not just about materially rectifying what was lost, it's a spiritual awakening, bringing your existence into full harmony with the divine flow. Feeling this harmony and purpose in your life is a clear indication that the universe is actively involved in your restructuring. The invisible world calls you, and you answer. Starting to feel a deep desire for spiritual connection is a clear sign that the universe is restructuring you. It's not just a quest for more knowledge, it's a deep, insatiable desire to understand and experience divinity that stirs within you, propelling you onto a significant journey of change. Simple acts of prayer transform into powerful moments of connection, revealing the continuous presence of the universe in your life. This spiritual awakening transcends any specific religion or set of beliefs. It includes a deep respect for the interconnectedness of everything and a profound reverence for the mysteries of the universe. This part of the universe's restoration work in your life isn't just about fixing the visible and material. It's a deep spiritual renewal that elevates your consciousness to new heights. As you explore sacred texts and engage in spiritual practices, you gain a richer understanding of life's purpose. This journey of spiritual enlightenment is a sign that the universe is deeply involved in your personal transformation, steering you towards a life filled with deep meaning and purpose. Do you know those moments when something just clicks, and you feel a bit lighter and inspired? That's what I hope this message does for you today. If so, spread the love, like, and comment. As always, have a wonderful day. God bless you.